All right, what is going on, everyone? We're coming at you today with a long-awaited full day of eating. So this is from a week or so back when I was about 10 weeks out. Since then, my food got pulled, so I'll have to do another update of full day of eating soon. But guys, I'll put the calories and macros on the screen in the description of every meal down below. But I mean, yeah, my food looks horrible. I'm a bodybuilder. I eat for efficiency, so I'm not making it look the best, but I promise it tastes best. And like bodybuilders always say, we're eating for the result. So this is what a full day of eating was looking like at about 10 weeks out. I'll update you as we progress and prep and food gets pulled, but thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the long awaited full day of eating.